Best books for NEET exam. Let's start. Medical student. For biology, NCERT textbook. For theory and for question practice, MTG fingerprint. For chemistry, NCERT textbook. Refer book. For normal practice, refer MTG fingerprint. For advanced practice, refer these books. For physical, University. For organic chemistry, MS Chauhan. For inorganic chemistry, VK Jaiswal. For physics, NCERT summary. Point and points to ponder. Important for question practice in physics, DC Pandey is best book. Thank you for watching.